Bring your culinary vision to life with the unlimited potential of Thermador ranges. Experience true Thermador innovation and craftsmanship with our two distinct collections, Pro Grand and Pro Harmony. With a breadth of sizes, depths, and cooking options to choose from, our ranges are designed to fit any kitchen. Achieve a perfect flush mount with a 24-inch depth Pro Harmony. Or go bold and add even more oven capacity with the 27-inch depth Pro Grand. Dual fuel and gas options are available to accommodate your personal cooking preferences. Make an impression with stunning stainless steel and signature Thermador blue knobs. No matter what your preferred style of cooking is, Thermador ranges deliver uncompromised performance every time. With 7 unique cooking options to choose from, you'll never run out of inspiration. Unleash superior cooking power with our patented pedestal star burners. More flame ports and fewer cold spots result in faster, more even heating. Need more precise control for delicate sauces? The Extra Low feature automatically cycles the star burner off and on to maintain extremely low temperatures. Designed with cleanup in mind, the raised pedestal star burner and porcelain main top easily accommodate a hand and sponge. Customize your cooking surface with a single or double dual-zone griddle or a Liberty induction module with heat shift technology, which automatically adjusts when a pot or pan is moved from one zone to another. From multi-course meals to professional catering trays, Thermador ranges make room for it all with oven capacity from 5.1 cubic feet to an incredible 10.6 cubic feet. Perfect for prepping large meals, true third element convection allows you to cook multiple dishes simultaneously with consistent results. Powerful single-fan convection technology enhances your cooking experience with consistent temperatures and optimized heating. Handle even your heaviest dishes with ease thanks to smooth-gliding, full-access telescopic racks with easy grip handles. Even cleanup is easy with industry-leading fast self-clean. Augment your cooking experience even further with steam oven and warming drawer options. Easily adjust settings with the vibrant, full-color touchscreen TFT display. Or command your kitchen with a single touch or voice control thanks to a seamless Thermador connected experience. Remote start your range, get recipe suggestions, access user manuals, tips, and more. With so much innovative cooking power and so many ways to customize, Thermador ranges deliver an exceptional culinary experience with every meal.